This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery. And we're going to show you on the Maxi Cosi Romi how to do a rear-facing installation with the lap and shoulder belt. Now remember, before you install your car seat, always check the manual so that way you know exactly how your car seat operates. Because we're doing a rear-facing installation, we're of course going to be turning this car seat facing the trunk. On the side of the car seat, there are two belt paths. The back one here where the red is for front-facing. The one over here where the blue is, that is for rear-facing. So this is where our seatbelt is going to go through. So set your car seat down, grab your seatbelt. You're going to go in one side. We're going to come out the other. And then we're going to buckle in. We're going to want to make sure to lock the seatbelt. So grab your shoulder belt and pull it all the way out. Don't just yank it because that's just going to do a temporary lock. It's just going to loosen up again. So make sure you pull the seatbelt all the way out as far as it can go. Now when you let it retract, you're going to hear that ratcheting sound. That means the seatbelt's now in locking mode. The best way to tighten it is to tighten it from inside the car seat. So over here on the buckle side, we're going to move the fabric out of the way. I'm going to grab the lap belt from inside the car seat. And as I'm leaning on the chair, I'm pulling the shoulder belt away from the buckle. All of this slack that I've been pulling, I want to make sure I feed it back into the car so it continues to lock. With one hand, you're going to grab it from either side of the car seat. Make sure the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back. Next, we have to make sure the car seat's at the right angle. On both sides of the car seat, there's like a little engraved line on the side. That line has to be level with the ground. So if you're on a flat surface, make sure the line is straight. If you're on a hill, the line will of course be on a curb. And you just want to get it as level as possible. Once the car seat is snug and the angle's at the right position, you can go ahead and put the fabric back on, and your car seat is pretty much good to go. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.